Hi there, this is Fixed It. I just sat down to make a video, and if I ever had any doubt about Big Brother watching, then I've no doubt at all whatsoever. A few seconds ago, this banner popped up on my window: Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. Sounds like it's doing you a favour. You'll note that there's no way to close this. So this thing is now stuck in front of my windows, and it says, question, why is Adobe messaging me? The service is part of our ongoing efforts to inform and protect individuals who have unknowingly acquired non-genuine Adobe software. Replace your non-genuine Adobe software today. So what it's saying is that a piece of software on my machine, most likely one of the ones that I bought from eBay, which I installed through their site, going on and getting a license key in order to open the software. Otherwise I'd have contacted the person who sold it to me to say it was illegitimate and demanding my money back. Adobe have now decided later that it in fact wasn't legitimate software, despite the fact that they licensed it when I logged into their system in order to install it. So rather than them stopping it working, which is what I would expect them to do, or sending me a message, they've decided to completely block my screen, as I should imagine they're going to block others. And I've bought thousands and thousands of pounds of Adobe software over the years, and it was only recently that I bought an upgrade from version 3 that I was working with. And the reason I bought an upgrade was I don't want to use the web-based Adobe software because it slows down my machine and it's a pain in the backside. And I'm sure there are many others like me. So obviously can't get rid of this damn thing because, as you can see, there's no little box to close it. Not only has it been spying on me, but it's totally intrusive. So there's a question mark here. What happens if I hit the question mark? Absolutely nothing. So let's try the learn more. Right, so that's disappeared. So the box has disappeared. Oh, well, I thought it had disappeared, but instead it's using my machine to open up a new web page from Adobe. Yes, we're waiting for the super fast Adobe system to come online, and here we go. Your Adobe software is not genuine. Exactly which part of my software isn't genuine? Because when I go and look at my licenses, the licenses are genuine, and the licenses on the back of the packets are genuine. So a bit more information would have been useful. And frequently asked questions, fix it guide. But it says save up to 40% exclusive discounts. Now that sounds like a good idea. So if I was using version 3 and I've upgraded, what are the 40% discounts on that? Let's go for shop for offers. So 40% discounts on monthly software. I don't want monthly software. When I bought the software originally, I paid for it. I don't want to take out plans where you charge me month on month. If you think I'm annoyed about this, that's an understatement. But this is going to happen to millions of you. You're going to be getting these messages. If there's anything on your machines, Adobe are currently scouring your machines in order to find if you have any copies of their software which they think isn't registered. And you're going to get these messages, and then they're going to continue to hound you, and it says you've got 40 days and then they'll take some sort of action. So what I'm going to do, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete the Adobe software and I'm going to reinstall my version 3, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to ditch it. Really, I don't need it. I don't use the Adobe software hardly at all. I used to use it a lot when it was good and it came in single packages. But all this collection, that, I'm really not interested in at all. Really. You know, let me just say I'm going to ditch your software. So I've been a loyal customer for decades is an understatement. And I'm going to ditch it. I'm going to delete it all. and I'm going to be very happy about it, and I'll go back to using the competitors software which I've got, which works just as well as yours. And well done, you've lost a loyal customer who happened to buy a piece of upgrade from eBay, which you obviously don't like. So Adobe, you've lost a customer, and I hope that you'll be losing tens of thousands more. This is a bad idea. This is spying, this is intrusion, and taking over my machine in order to do this, I'm sure, isn't legal at all. So anybody else who gets one of these, I recommend delete all your Adobe software and just get replacement software. In fact, there's quite a lot of free stuff out there, really. I think Adobe needs to be taught a lesson about this. This is just not on, and it's disgusting. Well, I hope you liked the video. I certainly don't. Thanks for watching. Bye.